Amplab at Electric Works is Fort Wayne Community Schools' new immersive half-day program for juniors and seniors. Students can either come for both junior and senior year, or they can come for junior or senior year. The vision for Amplab is to really create an immersive environment for students to collaborate and solve problems together. For Amplab, it's really about how do we bring a diverse group of students together and give them the tools, resources, and times to be creative, to solve problems, and try to tackle some of the challenges our community faces. That's important for Northeast Indiana because as we look at the way that the modern economy is changing and the role that young, vibrant students play in it is we need to think about how we put them in the forefront of that and really give them complex, challenging problems to try and tackle, not in isolation, but in collaboration with some of the industry leaders in Northeast Indiana. Amplab is made up of 4 distinct studios, and each studio provides access to resources that students might not have otherwise. We look at it as a playground, so each studio provides a really distinct purpose. So we have our Grow Studio, which is a science R&D lab with an indoor greenhouse. We have our Create Studio, which is a content creators lab, so music, video, animation, graphic design. We have our Make Studio, which is a makerspace and fabrication lab, so the ability to build prototypes, 3D printing, CNC machines, woodworking. And we have our Venture Studio, which is our collaboration lab, the place where students can ideate and brainstorm. Amplab is really about bringing 3 core elements together. How do we bring entrepreneurial thinking, innovative mindsets, and creative processes together to solve real problems in various industry contexts? And so it's not about preparing students for one job or one type of industry, but it's really giving them the tools to tackle those problems across a wide variety of industries so that no matter where their path takes them, they're equipped to propel themselves forward and really amplify their voice in whatever job they choose to pursue. Amplab is open to 400 juniors and seniors from the 5 Fort Wayne Community School high schools. We see the prototype of a student being wide-ranging, and we think that we're going to have a very diverse demographic makeup, both in experiences, but also coming from every corner of Fort Wayne to make up that Amplab community. Amplab at Electric Works will be open to its first cohort of students in August of 2022, so the 2022-2023 school year. If a student's interested, Amplab's open to current 10th and 11th graders in Fort Wayne Community Schools. There's an application process, and families can find more information about that process at our website. Students apply via their counselor, so we're really excited to see the energy and buzz as students learn about this opportunity, and we only continue to see it to grow as we get closer to launch in August.